Let's get a look at that Reading Terminal Market flashing sign right there. Isn't that cool or what? There's Maggiano's. Zoom back out a bit. Really like that sign. That looks cool for Reading Terminal Market. Let's cross the street and get a better look at it. See if I can get a better look at it. Don't want to get any of these cars on camera. Is that cool or what? Okay, it's about to turn yellow. There we go. Let's get a better look at it. Wow. That is so cool. Let's go back this way and ride those parking garage elevators. Beneath us is some of the regional rail. You can barely hear it though. Here at a 7-Eleven. We're going to take a ride on these elevators right here. I'll get the next one. Sorry. Excuse me. These are the Parkway machines. Hello. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Let's go back. 9. We're going to go up to 9. There's the Reading Terminal Market sign blinking with its blinking neon arrows. These are Schindler MT traction elevators that were installed in, I believe, 2000. Very nice elevator. Get a cab view. We're going to send that back down to G. As you can see, the one on the 13th Street has been modded. Nice view. That was my phone. Over there is City Hall. Let's get a good view out here. Some of the snow. I don't want to get that license plate on camera, but there is a Jefferson Health building right there with the American flag flying at half staff. There's the Marriott. I'm not sure what that building is right there. But I like that green neon. It's better to ride these at night, in my opinion. Some snow and some salt. Let's go back down now. Let's try and get this one. Let's see if I can get both lanterns in the frame. There we go. Which one will we get? Yeah, I'm zoomed out completely. Which one will we get? We're on level 9. Wonder which one we'll get. believe these were installed in 2000, but I'm not sure. And we got the same one. I'm gonna send it down and try and get that one. Let's send it to 4 and G. There it goes. Try and get this one. The light you're seeing is my beanie lamp. Hello. There's some weird horn. I'm not sure. That's me stepping on the salt that's been laid down here from the snow. Wonder if we'll get this one. Or not. Yep, we did. No one's on it. Let's go down to G. We're at 5. Stopping on 5. Going down.
Let's go, come on.
What floor are you going to? G?
Ground, yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Come on, man, too. Come on, man.
Yo.
Oh, shit, look, yo, remember?
Holy shit! Yo, what floor was that?
I think one died. That's I told you.
Yeah, what floor was that, brother?
Me?
The one we just got off. You remember or no?
G. 5. I think you got on at 5.
All right, thank you. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, bro.
You're welcome. Have a nice night. Let's go back up to 9. Got the window. There's the Reading Terminal Market neon again. It's better to ride this at night, in my opinion. It's better to ride these at night, in my opinion. Here we are at 9. We'll end it at G. Schindler. Then we're stuck on 7. Going down. G.
Oh, yeah.
You're welcome. Oops, sorry.
Good.
You have a good night.
You too, buddy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back up to 9. Let's try this again. Here we are at 9. Let's go back down to G. It says Schindler on the track right there. Hopefully it won't go into nudge mode. Hopefully we won't stop. Why is it that I always stop when I stop? Yeah.
And then from there, like, I really live up in the area. Yeah, we're going down.
Yeah, we're not.
Hi, handsome.
Or to leave, bro? When we did it.
We'll see when we get down.
Move on.
That is like once we start making money.
Y'all have a good night. Yeah, this is. Yeah, it's all G. Y'all have a good night. You guys have a good night. Are you going up? What floor do you want?
3.
What floor do you want?
Maybe 7.
What floor? What floor?
4, please.
You know what? I am on 8.